We work to classify that data to be able to later on know what needs additional security steps in place. The other step that we make is that we will look at where the cloud data will be hosted. Is it something that is in a well established provider, or is this going into some sort of a shared location? And understanding that depending on the customer's requirements, if the cloud solution would be suitable. Some of the ways that we are able to help organizations secure cloud infrastructure is simply by trying to pull in as much information about those cloud services as possible. If a company uses a cloud service where we may not have as much visibility as we would like, we will work directly with that cloud provider to see if there are options to be able to react to things like unknown login attempts, moving large amounts of data, things that would be indicative of an attack. Using tools like SIM, which is a security information event management tool, and also SOAR, which is a orchestrated automation platform, we use these tools to be able to detect a security threat and respond. In some cases, respond automatically without the need for the analyst to put hands on keyboard. We use these tools with the understanding that an attacker on a cloud service can move very quickly from gaining access to one account to gaining access to all accounts. And we find that in some cases, it's better to err on the side of caution and lock those accounts or lock that service down so that the attacker cannot continue their actions. And then after the fact, we will then evaluate the threat, evaluate what impacts, or even if it was a legitimate attack. We are not ones to have a lot of false alarms, but we also understand that when time is of the essence, it's better to err on the side of caution. Some of the common misconceptions about cloud security is that you no longer have responsibility for what happens in that cloud service. It's simply untrue. It's your data. In some cases, it might be your customers, it might be your employees, and you still have responsibility to those people to protect whatever data they have provided to you. Additionally, it is important that you still maintain appropriate security controls on your endpoints, on your network, and anywhere else that interacts with those cloud services. It's important for a security provider to be agile and adaptable with cloud security simply because new cloud services are popping up all over the place, whether it's something like email or some sort of just calendar tool that helps to steady your day, ticketing systems, all of these are continuing to be rolled out. And it's important that security providers look past the cool features and start asking the real questions. Where is this data going? What is protecting that data? Creating a third-party risk management process is very important when you are working with your customers and your customer desperately wants to use the newest cloud tool. As artificial intelligence continues to be used throughout almost every service imaginable, it's critical that businesses look at what are they connecting their data to? Are they connecting this information to something along the lines of a chat GPT? And is it potentially using your own data to help build new questions, new responses? If that's something that you don't want your data to be used in that way, then you need to definitely find different providers out there.